Curb appeal plays a major role in how a home is perceived, whether you're welcoming guests, taking pride in ownership, or preparing to sell. In Pell City neighborhoods, where homes reflect a mix of classic Southern charm and modern updates, one of the most impactful exterior upgrades is installing modern replacement doors. A front door isn't just an entry point, it's a focal feature that sets the tone for the entire home. Here's how modern replacement doors significantly enhance curb appeal and overall value for Pell City homeowners. Instantly refreshing the home's exterior, an aging or outdated door can make an otherwise well-maintained home look tired. Modern replacement doors offer clean lines, updated materials, and contemporary finishes that instantly refresh a home's appearance. Homeowners notice a more polished, welcoming entry, improved exterior balance and symmetry. A visible upgrade without extensive remodeling. This simple change can dramatically elevate first impressions. Stylish designs that complement Southern architecture. Pell City homes often feature traditional architectural details, porches, and classic exteriors. Modern replacement doors are designed to complement these styles while adding a fresh touch. Popular design features include decorative glass inserts that add elegant panel designs that echo traditional craftsmanship, subtle modern detailing for a refined look. These options allow homeowners to update their entry without sacrificing character. Enhanced color and finish options create visual impact. Modern doors are available in a wide range of colors and finishes, giving homeowners greater creative freedom. Eye-catching options include bold colors that create contrast, warm wood grain finishes for natural appeal, neutral tones that blend seamlessly with siding or brick. The right color choice can transform a home's exterior from ordinary to standout. Improved proportions and door hardware add sophistication. Modern replacement doors often feature sleeker profiles and updated hardware that enhance curb appeal. Upgraded details include streamlined door frames, contemporary handles and locks, coordinated finishes for a cohesive look. These refined elements contribute to a more upscale exterior presentation. Natural light without sacrificing privacy. Many modern replacement doors include glass elements that allow natural light into the entryway while maintaining privacy. Options include frosted or textured glass, decorative patterns that diffuse light, narrow sidelights that brighten interiors. Bright entryways feel more welcoming and visually appealing from both inside and out. Durability that maintains appearance over time. Curb appeal isn't just about looks on day one, it's about how well those looks last. Modern replacement doors are built from durable materials designed to withstand Pell City's climate. Benefits include resistance to warping and fading, long-lasting finishes, minimal maintenance requirements. Durability ensures the door remains attractive for years. Energy efficiency enhances buyer appeal. Modern replacement doors often include insulated cores and tight seals that improve energy efficiency. While not visible, this feature adds value that buyers appreciate. Energy-efficient doors improve indoor comfort, reduce air leakage, support lower energy costs. Homes with energy-efficient upgrades stand out in the market. Increased home value and marketability. Curb appeal has a direct impact on resale value. Modern replacement doors help homes make strong first impressions, often influencing buyer interest before they step inside. They increase perceived value, enhance listing photos, appeal to style-conscious buyers. This makes replacement doors a smart investment. Professional installation ensures a flawless finish. To achieve the best curb appeal results, professional installation is essential. Proper alignment, sealing, and trim work ensure the door looks and performs its best. A simple upgrade with lasting impact. Modern replacement doors offer Pell City homeowners an easy, high-impact way to boost curb appeal. By refreshing exterior style, enhancing architectural character, and improving durability, these doors elevate both appearance and value. For homeowners looking to make a strong visual statement and invest in long-term benefits, modern replacement doors are a smart, stylish upgrade that enhances Pell City neighborhoods one entryway at a time.